Hi YouTube, I'll be doing a video just like I promised on the sound check on the ESP LTD B-206sm. So quickly, this is my little Crake amp, master gain, which pretty much the volume. It's in the middle, everything's in the middle, all my EQ. I have no effect pedals or anything. It's a 15 watt, so nice and simple, no tricks, no nothing. Nothing to fool you or anything to try to make it sound louder than what it is. So right now I'm going to take off all the EQs down, cut them, and play with both pickups. This is what it sounds like without EQ all the way turned that way. So this is what it sounds like with full volume. Now let's give it the bass all the way. Let's put down the bass and bring the mids. So the bass is out and now all the mids. So that's the mids. Take off all the mids and put all the highs. So that's all the mids, and now all three of them together sound like this. So that's what it sounds like, and for those of you tapping people out there, I guess I'll play something for that. I recently have made some of my own songs, so I guess I'll play something out of my own stuff that I have made. And hope you enjoyed the sound of the bass, and hope this video helps and makes your decision a little bit easier to buying the ESP LTD B series 206sm. So this is what it sounds like with tapping. My bass and my mid are in the middle, and my highs are all the way. I'm playing with my front pickup, my neck pickup, and the volume's all the way up. something that I kind of came up with, my own stuff that I have made here and there. That's what the bass sounds like with highs and tapping, harmonics, like. What it sounds like with harmonics, really nice. What it sounds with lows, just a groove kind of part sounds like. Sounds really nice. It's a really good bass guitar, extremely fun to play with. So this is the ESP LTD B-206sm. This is what this looks like. This is what it sounds like. Do a little bit of slapping here and there. So bass and mid in the middle, my highs all the way up. Do some slapping here. Well, for you thumping people out there. Really beautiful bass to mess around with. Extremely fun to play with. Hopefully I helped you within both of the videos, make your decision easier. And hopefully I helped, and God bless, and just enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.